Hi, welcome back to UA Technical Solutions. In today's tutorial we will learn how to recover refrigerant from the low side or cooler section of Carrier 30XW chiller. Step 1 is to vacuum the refrigerant cylinder for 10 minutes to remove any existing refrigerant or air inside the cylinder. Connect the cylinder with the vacuum pump via charging hose. And open the cylinder valve, then put the cylinder upside down, after on the vacuum pump. After 10 minutes, close the cylinder valve first, then off the vacuum pump and remove the charging hose. Step 2 is to connect the low side of the gauge to the NPT fitting on top of the compressor. Step 3. Connect the middle port of the gauge to the inlet of the recovery machine. Step 4. Connect the outlet of the recovery unit to the cylinder. Step 5. Warp the cylinder with cloth and put the cylinder inside a bucket filled with water and continue to replace the water to keep the cylinder temperature low. Step 6. Open the gauge low side valve. Open recovery unit inlet valve. Open recovery unit output valve, and lastly open cylinder valve, then start the recovery machine. When filling the cylinder, continuously monitor the cylinder weight and temperature. Always fill the cylinder 2 kg lesser than cylinder rating. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe us at UA Technical Solutions. Let us know the topics of your choice in the comment section to make this channel more relevant to you.